Namaste and welcome to this video. Well, friends, we have learned the English language by following certain rules at school, isn't it? So, today, what I want to inform all of you is that I have come up with a series of 7 golden rules which we need to know in order to convert any singular noun to its plural form. Now, this series is for those who wish to improve their language skills. It is also for those who would like to recall what they learned when they were at school. Children definitely would enjoy, because what I have done is that I have introduced a 3D animated video which is going to talk about the rule. So, friends, all of you are invited to watch this video. Stay with me till the end, because let me tell you one more thing. At the end, I am going to share something very interesting with all of you, which is going to benefit the teachers. Well, we all know that schools have slowly started opening up and teachers are back to school. Now, after a long gap of almost 2 years, it becomes a little challenging for the teachers to bring the students back into the learning mode. And I'm sure that activity-based learning is the way out to bring these students into the frame of mind to start learning in a classroom situation. So, friends, I encourage all of you to stay with me till the end, watch this video till the end, and I can assure you that you are not going to get bored, if I can say that. Well, and if you like what I have shared with you today, please do share it with your friends, with students, with whoever you think is going to be benefited by watching this series. One more thing I would like to also inform you. I would be putting up the 7 videos on the 7 rules on every Tuesday of the week, and it would be there on your channel at 11 a.m. every Tuesday. So do make a note of this time and day in your calendar if you wish to, and do keep watching, and I would be more than happy to receive your inputs and your feedback in the comments section. So enjoy the video and stay till the end, because that's the interesting part at the end of this video that you're going to see. Well, all the very best and happy watching.
Hey mom, can I have something to eat? I'm really hungry.
Well, Arjun, I can make some noodles. They're the fastest to make. Tell me about your class today.
It was super easy and very well explained by the teacher. We learned to make plural nouns.
That sounds interesting. What exactly did you learn?
Our teacher told us the different rules to be applied to convert a single noun to a plural noun. The first rule is most nouns add an S to make them plural.
All right, we have many items in our kitchen. So can I say 1 napkin and 2 napkins?
Yes mom, that is absolutely right. Chair and chairs, cup and cups. Now it's your turn mom, let's play.
Book and books, pen and pens, bottle and bottles. Now it's your turn, Arjun. Give me 3 examples and I will serve you the noodles.
Paper and papers, spoon and spoons, apple and apples. Hey, now I can enjoy the noodles.
Sure, you deserve them. Well, rule number 1, I think, was very simple and very easy to follow. So since all of you have gone through the video, I think it's time for us to play a game, and let us see how many of you are able to find the plural forms of the nouns that follow rule number 1. So I have a very interesting, simple, fun activity for all of you. So get started, and I will just show you what the activity looks like. That's it. That is your activity. Identify the words hidden in this grid. Make a note of them, and once you've done that, well, do leave your answers in the comments section and I will definitely reply to you. So all the very best and looking forward to many participants in this activity. Thank you. Namaste and welcome back. So I hope all of you have enjoyed what you have just witnessed and you are ready with your answers to the activity. Well, if you are not, then please take your time and do come back with your answers and leave them in the comment section as I have already suggested, so that I can go through your responses and also reply to your answers. Well, so if you have really found this useful, please do share it with as many friends and relatives as you can. And also students, if you are a teacher, please share this with your students. I would really love to get a first-hand feedback from the students and understand whether this has been a very simple way for them to learn and to, I think, retain rule number 1 to 7 for nouns, changing them from singular to plural. And I will be doing many more such series based on the language, and it's going to be very simple, very easy and full of fun. So do keep watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy watching. Thank you and namaste. Teaching online is not at all a puzzle if you are a part of